Hola chicas, this is what I want you to have a look at now over the next few days. I've nearly finished correcting all of your other work, so I'll hopefully get that back to you soon. The first thing I want you to do is at the bottom of page 158. Okay, so at the bottom of page 158, I have uploaded the listening. Okay, so I have uploaded the listening. So what I want you to do into your book is I want the listening, it's uploaded, it says page 158 in blue box. So if you just press play, and I want you to fill in, listen to the track, and I want you to write in English, so it's like different fruits and veg and what colors they are, okay, mainly, okay, so I want you to fill those into your textbook as you hear them, so listen to it as many times as you need, okay, and just fill them in as you hear them. Is that okay? So I want you to fill in those ones there, okay, so there's 1 to 10, okay. We might have a look at on the next page as well. You'll see there's more on this other page here, but we'll have a look at them at another time, okay. I know it's not easy to get everything done, okay. So we'll have a look maybe at one of those in the next day or two. Okay, but just do the one here on page 158 in the blue box. So just try those ones there. They'll be attached to this file, okay. If we turn over the page, what I want to have a look at now is this this little comprehension. It says una receta, okay. So una receta is a recipe, okay. So a recipe. Okay, so una receta is a recipe. Okay, sorry, my writing is not very clear. Okay, so una receta. Okay, so here we're going to lee la siguiente receta y contesta las preguntas. So we're going to read through this recipe, and we're going to have a look at the following questions. Okay, so un batido. The first thing I want to learn, un batido is a milkshake. Okay, un batido is a milkshake. Okay, so milkshake de fruta y verdura. So a milkshake with fruit and veg. Okay, so milkshake de fruta y verduras. I want you to learn as well la bebida. La bebida is a drink. So here's in the drink. Bebida perfecta, the perfect drink, okay? Para hidratarse. So that's to hydrate yourself, especialmente en verano, especially in summer, okay? Empieza el día con energía. Start the day with energy. So I want you to know empieza. It's giving you an order here. Empieza. Start the day with energy, okay? So empieza el día con, okay. The first word you got here, I want you to underline is una taza. Una taza is a cup. Okay? Una taza de fresas, frambuesas y arándanos. So to go through your vocab there, that your vocab and all this is covered here on your fruit and veg, okay? So just look through those, okay? Next we got dos plátanos. Plátanos is, I'll give you this one, is bananas. Okay? Una manzana is an apple. Okay, una manzana is an apple. Hojas de lechuga. So hojas has two. Hojas can mean like a page in the book, and hoja can also mean it can also mean a leaf. So seis hojas is six leaves. Six leaves. 6 leaves. Okay, 6 leaves. Una hoja is a leaf, but 6 leaves. Okay, okay. Un jugo de limón. So jugo is a new word for us here. Make up tonight is juice. Okay. Okay, jugo is your juice. And 150 gramos de yogurt natural, 150 grams of natural yogurt. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to have a look at these questions down here. Okay, so the first question says, what is the recipe for? How long does it take to make? So that's up there. Okay, how many people does it serve? And mention 5 of the ingredients. So I actually want you to translate all of those ingredients. Okay, just do it. If you want to do it into your copybook, and just take a picture of it. Okay, so read through it. Any of the vocab I put here, take it into your copybook as well, okay? And make a note of it as well. Is that okay? Perfect. Okay. The second thing I want you to have a look at then is the other comprehension on página 161, page 161. Okay, we're just going to have a look at this question here. It says Las fiestas de San Isidro. Okay, so this is a famous festival in Spain, okay? So it says here, entre el 12 y el 16 de mayo en Madrid se celebran las fiestas de San Isidro en honor al patrón de la ciudad, okay? So the first thing we've seen here, you can notice here, mayo is the month of May, okay? So entre, we've seen this in our prepositions here. Entre literally means between. So between el 12 y el 16 de mayo, between the 12th and 16th of Madrid, se celebran. So now, this can mean celebrate, it also can mean take place. So here we're going to say that it takes place. So las fiestas, so the party or the festival of San Isidro takes place between the 12th and 16th in the honor of al patrón de la ciudad. So al patrón is like the patron saint, okay, de la ciudad, of the city. Okay. It's saying here then, disfruta de un programa muy variado. Okay, so enjoy a program of events muy variado, very different or wide ranging. Okay, para todo el mundo is once on todo el mundo, for everybody. Okay, for everybody. Okay, we've got baile, conciertos, teatro, espectáculos. Once you in here, fuegos artificiales. Okay, that's your fuegos artificiales, your fireworks. Okay, and then the last one I want you to make a note is actividades infantiles is activities or kids' activities. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to make a note of some of these vocabs like the kids' activities, los fuegos artificiales. Oh, there's one more I want you to make a note of here. Espectáculos is like shows or like exhibitions. Okay, shows or exhibitions. Okay, so any of that vocab there, like variado, todo el mundo, fuegos artificiales, actividades infantiles, I want you to make a note of that into your copy. Okay, and on top of that as well, I want you to try those three questions as well there. Okay, when does the fiestas take place? What city do they take place in? I mentioned 5 of the activities that take place during this time. Okay, so I want you to have, so what I want you to do, okay, is I want you to do the lesson on page 158, this listening here. So you're going to listen to that, fill in the activities into it. After you've that done, I want you to, sorry, I want you to have a look at this batido de fruta. So make a note of the vocab here, el vocabulario, and do the questions. Okay, you can do it. You can take a photograph, or you can do it on a Google Doc, whatever suits. And then the last thing is, I want you to read through this as fiesta. I've gone through it with you, okay? And I want you to make a note of the vocab that we've seen here, like entre, todo el mundo, fuegos artificiales. I want you to make a note of all those in your into your vocab and do the questions into your copy. Is that okay? Muchas gracias, chicas, and nos hablamos pronto. Gracias.